Hello, and welcome to another episode of a lot of how-tos and reviews. Today we are viewing the M416 Gel Blaster. I think it's the best gel blaster on the Amazon market right now. It's really cool, really fun to play with. If you're interested in it after seeing this video, the link is in the description. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I do a lot of cool reviews and fun reviews on Amazon products and stuff outside of Amazon. So if you're interested in seeing more cool items and reviews, subscribe. Again, the link to this product is in the description below. So now we're going to unbox this thing, this super fun toy. You could say it's a toy. It's classified as a toy, but it feels more like an adult toy. So it comes with the gel bullets, the Gelblaster Orby bullets. It's like 1,000, I think, in there. This is the barrel of the gun. It's all wrapped in there nicely. This one comes in 3 colors. I got blue. It also comes in red and I think white. There's a lot of similar ones on the market as well, but this is the best one for its price. It does come with safety goggles or glasses because you definitely could lose an eye. These bullets hurt. They really do. It's like a nice pinch. Comes with a battery. This is what helps it go into automatic mode. You don't need the battery for semi-automatic. It's just a pull and press trigger. In my experience, the battery lasts really long and charges really fast. Now this is the sight, the scope. It does zoom in, it does magnify, and it does work like somewhat like a real gun scope. And you can also fold the scope down. There's a button there that allows you to fold the scope down. So if you just want to look through the iron sights, you can do so. It's a really cool little feature for a toy gun. This gun is really awesome, honestly. So I think it's the best on Amazon, but I'm pretty sure there's a lot of good ones on Amazon too. This is the charger. It doesn't come with a block, but you could easily just find one. I'm sure you have some around the house. Don't lose this charger. It's easy to lose. It's very small. You don't want to lose that because then you're going to have to order a whole nother gun. Now this is the end of the gun. If you play Call of Duty, we call this part the stock. Is where you put your shoulder. It's at the end of the gun. It's adjustable with this part right here. You can press it in and it will go back and slide back or forward. It's cool. Makes it feel even more realistic. What's next? After that, we have the base of the gun. This is the main base. This is where the trigger is. This is where the little barrel where the ammunition shoots through. You see this little green tube. They shoot through that. The trigger's there. They even have this part here. You can't see the bullets though. It's just for aesthetics. It is to make the gun feel more realistic, look more realistic. It's cool. This is the switch where you can change from auto to semi-auto. Very easy to use. None of these actually work. This is the semi-automatic pull and shoot trigger. This is the extension where you put the battery, you attach the battery to. Okay, that's the base. Then we have the magazine. Magazine's cool. You have to click that to actually get the ammunition to the top before you start shooting. So you have to press that multiple times. This is the slide cartridge where you actually load the ammunition. So you load it in there and then you press the top. So it'll come to the top and then you can start shooting the gun. Here's just a little attachments. There's your iron sights. And that's basically it, yeah. And then you have a grip. You have the grip and then you have the instruction manual of how to assemble the gun. Show you the instruction manual. It looks more complicated on here, but it's actually pretty easy putting together. Probably took me like 2-3 minutes to do. It's pretty cool. So that's the unboxing. It does come with this card. I'll let you read the card. Warm tips. Some warm tips. All right, let me show you guys how to assemble this machine. I'm going to speed it up a little bit and play some music for y'all. And I'll be back when it's over. now she's all assembled and ready to go. I love this gun. It's so fun to use, so cool. Again, if you're interested in this item, the link is in the description below. It takes you straight to this item, all right? Now let's take this out and see if it shoots as good as it looks. Bang, bang, bang. As you can tell, the fire rate is stupid on this, man. It probably shoots like 5 shots a second. Like, it's crazy. And it has some range on it. I'm only about, 20 feet away. But I have another video that I'm gonna post. It should be at the top corner of this video, at the end of this video. You should easily just click it and it'll take you to it. It's gonna be a full test of how this gun shoots. Range, damage, all that. I just want to thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe for more.